As always, before draping, you want to iron the entire length of the sari. It's just going to make for an easier and more effortless draping experience. Once you've ironed the entire sari, you want to measure out how long you need to pleat the pallu. So what I'm going to do is put it over my left shoulder, bring it around, and then decide how long I want the pallu in the front. So I think I'm good with that length. Like I want the pallu to kind of hit my knee in the front. So I'm going to start pleating from around about here. So this is the length of the pallu that I need to pleat. So let's begin pleating. So I'm going to start pleating the pallu. You can check out my pallu pleating video for how I do this. It's the same method for all of my saris. Super quick, easy, and comes out with perfect pleats every time. Once you've ironed the sari and pleated the pallu, we're ready to begin draping. So the drape starts off pretty much exactly like the Navy drape. Once you get back to your belly button, what you want to do is take the other end of the sari, wrap it around you, and kind of mark where the pallu is going to begin so you can determine how much fabric you have for your front pleats. So then once you've figured out how long you want the front pallu to be, you can start pleating your front pleats. So you do that just as you would for any Navy drape. You can check out my tutorial on how to pleat the front pleats so you can get beautiful pleats every time. Once you've tucked in your front pleats, you just want to reach around from the right of the drape to the left and set and define your hip pleats, and then pull and tuck this nice and tight so those hip pleats aren't going anywhere. And then just fold this forward and tuck it in so it's nice and neat here. And then you're pretty much done the front pleats. Once the bottom is nice and secured, you're going to work on the top. So you're going to bring the pallu around, position it off shoulder, and then bring the other one, the other side, around you and over your right shoulder. Okay, so once you've positioned the waist chain and both sides of the pallu how you like it, you can even just take the pallu and kind of just wrap it around the waist chain. I have an elastic waist chain on. This is actually the Eternity waist chain from Bhuva.com, and you can do kind of really cool things.